What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Eren from Merixi Media. In this video tutorial, I will present how we can add a sound element to a basic VR scene. Are very important elements to every VR and game application. So let's get started. We are in our text editor. I already prepared a folder where I add the assets elements. So the assets elements will be a starship, the ground, and the alien. The first thing that we need to do is to add the elements. In this section, I'm gonna add the asset element. The first element will be the spacecraft. We add the termination GLB because it's a 3D model. The next element will be the ground. I'm using a picture for this. After this, the next element will be the audio element. Star Wars. We add the termination MP3, and we autoplay equal true. Now the assets are added. It's time to style our elements. A GLTF. The first element we're going to style is the spacecraft. We add a rotation. Zero 45 45. We add a position. Position will be 2 minus 5, and scale. After this, AGLTF sorry, AGLTF model spacecraft GLB. After this we add the ground, a plane, so the plan will be the picture Mars.jpg, and we add the rotation, minus 19, 0, 0. We add width, let's make it 100, and 8, 100. And the last element will be the alien. AGLTF sorry, rotation, will be 90, 50, and 50. Position, minus 6, 6, and minus 6. Scale, it will be 3. 3 is corresponding to 3 meters. 3, 3, 3. F. Model. Select alien. Now it's time to add the sky element. Okay. The color will be this color, and last will be the sound element. For this, A N T T ID Star Wars. Sound equal URL Star Wars .mp3, close the bracket, auto play true. And last but not least, we add a functionality. For this, we're gonna get a JavaScript element script var entity equal document dot query selector sound entity components sound we save and we check our work, and this is the result. That was for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any comments and suggestions regarding my video, please leave them in the comments below. Bye and see you in the next video.